What do Google, TikTok, and Fortnite have in common? There are hundreds of people working behind the scenes to enhance your experience and keep you coming back for more. User experience designers make it a breeze for you to use Google services. App developers keep TikTok bug-free so you can enjoy hours of laughs. And game designers continually refine and update Fortnite while you play with friends. Digital technology is all around us, from smart homes and watches to cell phones and even cars. We live in a digital era. Most of us wouldn't be caught without some type of tech. Digital technology is the future. And what if you were the one behind the scenes creating it?
Like me. Since graduating from Stockton, I've worked at both Booz Allen Hamilton and Deloitte Consulting, managing their immersive learning, design, and development offerings.
Digital Studies at Stockton University prepares you for the jobs of tomorrow. Learn how to use, create, and enhance the digital tech we use every day. From Ring doorbells to Apple Watches to Amazon, you'll be the one crafting our digital future.
That's exactly right. Companies like mine are always looking for people with not only the ability to specialize in their given expertise, but to work well within a diverse team where design, critical, and creative thinking skills mean the difference between products that just work and products that can have a real and lasting impact for our clients.
We teach you the cutting-edge skills that you need to keep up with the rapidly changing tech industry. Digital Studies is a multidisciplinary major, which means by the time you graduate college, you'll have a well-rounded knowledge of digital technology that you can instantly apply to your career while refining the skills that interest you most.
As someone who hires for teams tasked with creating large and complex online applications, I'm looking for people with a broad understanding of the digital world and many of its applications and connections. A degree from Stockton sets you up for success by broadening the skills you can bring to the table.
But what makes Stockton's Digital Studies program so special? We develop digital generalists, aka professionals who not only have specialized skills, but enough knowledge in a variety of relevant areas to immediately thrive in an entry-level position in the digital field.
It's so important to have a variety of skills. Someone with expertise in, say, programming needs to be able to interact with other areas involved in a project, like graphic design, communications, user experience, and technical writing. Someone with this versatile background will be able to understand and embrace different viewpoints and will have a better understanding of the entire development process.
We set you up with internships so you can experience different fields in person and apply the skills you learn in the classroom hands-on.
Come shadow me for the day. I'll show you what it takes to succeed in the industry.
And the best part, a lot of the careers in the industry don't even exist right now. You'll be at the forefront of a budding industry, having a hand in creating the careers that we can't even begin to dream of right now. So what are you waiting for? Head to stockton.edu for more information on our Digital Studies program. The digital future has no limits. So what will you create?